last time on Traveling Gamer.
And this is the excellent tow truck man who actually got me out.
$500. This wasn't for a tow. This wasn't for a repair. This was literally just to pull me out of the ditch. Hi, and welcome to the channel. I travel the US in a self-converted van with my cat Tux. Join us on our adventures to see it all. What up, YouTube? So as you saw in the last video, I tested and replaced both the fan motor fuse as well as the fan motor relay. Things looked like they were going to work out for the better when I replaced those two. And then when I went to get the radiator fan to kick in, one, the fuse didn't blow right away, but two, the fan actually started spinning. However, the fan also started to smoke. So I rushed in, get the car turned off, unplug everything so I didn't blow the fuse or relay that I just purchased and had to purchase another. I luckily was able to prevent that. So yeah, now I'm at the point that I need a fan. This was around the same time that Schoolie Palooza was going on. So I needed to actually leave the event in this awesome madness here. I needed to head to Phoenix from Ehrenberg, where we were at, to grab the part and grab some supplies and try and get back out to Ehrenberg and Schoolie Palooza so I can actually enjoy the rest of the event. I'll probably branch out the Schoolie Palooza content out into its own video, just simply because this is mainly about the snow saga and plus content. So yeah, I got to the Phoenix junkyard to actually find the part, and unfortunately most of the compatible vans were actually wrecked from the front, messing up the fan and the radiator. I did find one in a Dodge Grand Caravan that was actually compatible, and it was actually even taken out for me. What up, YouTube? Yes, it is 8 a.m. and yes, I am in the junkyard pulling apart on the car at the butt crack of sunrise with ice all over this car. So the saga continues. I still have not been able to figure out what's going on with the radiator fan, and where we last picked up, it was smoking. When I put the new relay and the new resistor, or the new fuse in there, the fan started smoking. So the fan is toast. Yeah, so it is what it is. Luckily, it actually looks like whoever was here before me pulled the radiator out of this bad boy before I got here. So that's actually pretty cool. Hopefully this thing works and I can just put it in my vehicle and we're Gucci, because it's cold. I don't know if you can see my breath, but yeah, it's definitely cold. All right, let's get this out and get back to the car. What up, YouTube? All right, yeah, so we're finally here, actually getting to put this stuff in here. Yeah, so this is the radiator fan that I picked from the junkyard. So in order to actually get the old one out, I'm gonna need to, I'm thinking, remove this radiator hose. So that's why I got extra coolant. Got a funnel, some gloves, some kill mat or pig mat, and a container. So yeah, let's see if we can't get this thing taken out.
now that the radiator fan is in, let's go ahead and put this fuse in, turn the car on, and see if she spins. We got ignition, baby! As you can see, I was pretty happy there. Glad to be back on the road. Glad to have this whole hot mess figured out. And it's now a year later and I haven't had any more issues. So, yeah, I think this was a success. Thank you for going on this journey with me. And hopefully you like and subscribe and continue to journey along with me and my travels in the future.